Hello there everyone, it's Kshitij and today we are diving deep into the realm of precision grooming with the incomparable Philips Multi-Grooming Series 9000 model 9551/65. And this comes straight from the house of Philips, and trust me when I say this is what we truly call barber ke barabar. So first things first, let's talk precision. With its twin trim blades specially crafted from the finest stainless steel, this Philips Multi-Grooming Series 9000 is your ticket to grooming perfection. And the blades stay as sharp as day one, even after multiple usage. So say goodbye to fading lines and uneven trims, because with this trimmer in hand, your grooming game just got a whole lot sharper. No need to visit the barber shop anymore, because now you can get the professional trim at home. So let's delve into the science of precision with BeardSense technology. Okay, picture this, your beard density being analyzed to give you that gold standard of trimming. This trimmer scans your beard a whooping 125 times per second and then adjusts the power accordingly. Thick, thin or somewhere in between. This trimmer's got your back. Or should I say your beard? Well, who says you can't have it all? With 15 grooming tools packed into one sleek device, this Philips Multi-Grooming Series 9000 is the ultimate trimmer for complete body grooming. From sculpting your hairstyle to tidying up the hair on your body. Consider this as your all-access pass to grooming greatness. And imagine being able to do all of this while taking a shower. Thanks to its water-resistant feature that also makes it easy to clean under running water. But wait, there's more. Whether you are aiming for a round stubble or a well-groomed mane, this trimmer's got the moves. With 17 length settings and body grooming attachments, consider unwanted hair a thing of the past. Well, last but certainly not the least, let's talk about longevity and convenience. With the blades that stay as sharp as day one and a lithium-ion battery that goes the distance up to 120 minutes to be exact. This indicator right here lets you know your battery status, so you never get caught with an empty battery in the middle of your trim. And even if you do, with the 5-minute quick charge feature, you will never have to hit the pause button on your grooming game. Talk about convenience at its finest. And there you have it, the Philips Multi-Grooming Series 9000 MG9551/65, your ultimate grooming wingman. With this trimmer, you can get your professional finish whenever and wherever you want. And this trimmer will always give you a barber ke barabar professional trim. So if you are ready to take your grooming game to the next level, then this is a must-have product. Now what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make your purchase right now. Until next time, stay sharp, stay stylish.